And good news, if you've been anxious to head outdoors for a camping trip starting this Thursday, state parks will reopen for camping. Park employees are taking steps to make sure you're safe out there. Dana Smith has what you need to know before you plan your trip.
In just 4 days, Virginia state parks will be back open for camping, just in time for Memorial Day weekend. Communications and Marketing Director for the Virginia Department of Conservation and Recreation, Dave Nudek, says they're already preparing for overnight guests.
Many of them, I'm sure, are experienced campers and have been well aware over the last 8 to 10 weeks of what's been going on and how the need to respect each other and to recreate responsibly is going to be the key.
State parks like Virginia Beach's First Landing have been open for daytime hikes during the coronavirus pandemic. And Nudek says they have seen a lot more people coming through.
Over the last several weekends, we've been experienced high levels of visitation at some of our more popular parks.
But there will be a few changes moving forward once overnight stays are allowed again.
We will be instituting some safety precautions.
Nudek says there are plans in place to ensure campers comply with social distancing, like limiting the number of people at campsites and bathrooms.
Our campsites are naturally socially distanced. There's a significant amount of space between each campsite, so our campers will have space.
Some picnic shelters, playgrounds, beaches, and visitor centers will be closed. He said park employees will be equipped with face masks and gloves, and crews will clean the bathrooms and campsites more often.
We have been planning for this moment and looking at different guidelines that are issued by the CDC and the Virginia Department of Health on how to go about reopening the campgrounds.
State parks will open for overnight camping on May 21st. Dana Smith, 13 News Now.
And you have options. There are almost 40 state parks across Virginia, across the Commonwealth for you to choose from. So if you're getting tired of walking around your neighborhood over and over again, maybe consider visiting one of these. Well, just remember to follow social distancing rules and double check with the park for their guidelines.